Hi, I am JC Vitanagamage and this is my demo for the CTSC lecture notes chatbot. This chatbot answers questions using lecture content from the CTSC module. It's powered entirely by open source tools like LangChain, Hugging Face and FISS. So I started by installing and importing the required libraries including LangChain components, sentence transformers for embeddings, and the lightweight Hugging Face model called FLAN T5 base. So here are the installing process and importing. Then the lecture slides were pre-combined into a text file. Here is that. Then I use LangChain's text loader to load the content and split it into chunks using recursive character text splitter, which helps the model process text efficiently. So here is the file uploading, and this is that recursive character text splitter using. Then each chunk is converted into a vector using all mini LM L6 then a sentence transformer that the sentence transformer from Hugging Face. These vectors are stored in a FISS index for last similarity search during the question answering. Okay, then to generate answers I use the FLAN T5 base model, which is instruction tuned and produces short focused responses. I also limited the retriever to only fetch the most relevant chunk, ensuring answers remain concise. Here is the model loading part. Then now I'm going to ask few sample questions using chatbot. Let's see. I asked the question, what is cloud computing? Its answer is a style of computing which scalable and elastic IT enabled capabilities are delivered as a service using internet technology. So we'll ask another question. The question was, what is AWS Cloud? The answer is AWS Cloud is a cloud computing platform that provides a wide range of services including compute, storage, databases, security, networking, analytics, machine learning and DevOps, etc. Then we type exit on this field. Then we can exit from the chatbot. So here are some sample questions. I tested in my this chatbot demonstrate how to Gen AI tools like so finally this chatbot demonstrate how Gen AI tools like LangChain and Hugging Face can be used to build educational assistance without relying on commercial APIs. Uh, Thank you.